Hi people, it's Nettie again. Okay, a little bit tired. It's like gonna be 5 o'clock already. But before the sun goes down, I wanted to show you. As you can see right there, that's my Cuban oregano. It's going sky high. And I changed my eggplant over here because the flowers started falling down. They needed sun. So here is the perfect place to give them the sun. And it gets it also on the ground. And hello, hello, hello. This is what I'm trying to protect. Hold on. Right there. That's what I want to protect. I want it to have nice sun. And it still has flowers. So I'm also trying to protect the flowers that they don't die. And as you can see also, my aloe vera, look how wild it's gotten. It has, I don't know if I could see them now. Yeah, it has one there. I don't know if you can see it right there. Right there it has a baby. And it has another one back here somewhere. I don't know if it's alive or not. Let me see if I take this leaf out. And I could find it. Yeah, right there. As you can see, it has another eggplant. How you call it? Aloe vera. So this aloe vera is going pretty crazy. This used to be out there in the raised bed. And I took it out before the storm came come. So I figured that because of that big tree, I was afraid that it might, destroy it. I don't know. There's aloe vera still over there. There's like 4 or 5 of them. I don't know what's going on. The last time I saw it, they were doing beautifully. But now we're summertime. It doesn't rain much. And it gets super, super hot. So like today is like 90 degrees, I think. At least it feels like it. And I've been like mainly in my room and in the kitchen cooking and doing my thing, so that's why I'm so late. But I wanted to show you that everything is growing and they're getting sun, and I got strawberries already. I just need for them to get nice and red. Right there they get nice sun. In the back they got baby strawberries also that I found in my, how you call that, my coriander field right there. And everything is growing beautifully. Plus I want to show you something. Look how big my tomatoes are. They're growing. Ooh, and I don't know, I'm probably gonna have to thin it out because I don't know where I'm gonna put 4 tomatoes. I don't have the space for that, but I will take at least 1 or 2. I took out the how you call it, adhesives that I had there because they were kind of ugly. I only got like 3 of these. Yeah, they're not even green yet. They're green, but they're not even red yet. It's supposed to get red. So I decided to take these. I'm gonna wash them and keep them in the refrigerator or outside the refrigerator until they get their normal color. But I took it out. It was not doing good, so I decided to throw it out. And let me see if I can reach this. I throw things out that way and it comes back inside. As you can see right there, I don't know if you can see it right there. I don't know if that's a strawberry or that's a coriander, because in the beginning they look the same. The only thing is that when the 4 leaves grow totally, they have like a different shape. They start having a different shape. This one I don't know either. So I'm gonna take it out, put it over here, and pending where it comes, like I did with this one. This one was a baby, and I took it out very small. I planted it in something like this, and when it started growing, I noticed that it was a coriander. I put it here, and the ones that I noticed they were I call it strawberries. I put them in the strawberry section. So that's how I have done it. So and there's another little one here. I'm gonna put them all together here since this is empty. I don't know what I planted here. What was it? Let me see if it says it somewhere here. I thought I wrote it. Nope. I think this was the, how you call it, cucumbers. They never came out. So the tomatoes were here, right? And the cucumbers were here. They never came out. I have to buy new seeds. I think these are too old. They're 2 years old. So I don't think that's why they're growing. So anyway, I'm going to put other little babies in there and let them grow and see what they become. So that's all for today. God bless you all, and until next time. And I hope, I pray that this little babies, I'm not gonna let it grow so long, so big. This little baby does grow. I'm dying to eat how you call it, eggplant juice, eggplant with orange juice. You blend it raw. I leave the everything, wash it real good, cut them up in pieces, put it in the blender with orange juice, and the plant starts tasting like orange juice. It's like you eating a fruit of juice, of orange juice. So that's what I love about this plant. I won't let it go like wild. Remember that I had to even go outside to go and get it. I still got the pole right there that I could put it up, but I think I'm not gonna let it go that long, that far away. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.